first Valentine's Day together? In this video, we're going to show you how to make 5 vodka cocktails for Valentine's Day. Bar's open. Hey, what's up everybody? If this is your first time here, my name is Shay Lewis. I'm a principal bartender here at MIXOLOGY Flaired, and today we're going to teach you how to make 5 vodka cocktails for Valentine's Day. So the first drink that I want to show you how to make is the French Martini. You want to start with a fresh mixing glass like this, and like I said, it's a vodka drink, and this one is made with Vanilla Vodka. This is not sponsored by any one of these brands today. You can choose whichever brand that you want to use. Today I'm going to use Sky Vanilla. 1.5 ounces. Chambord, it's a blackberry liqueur. 1 ounce. And fresh pineapple juice. Also 1 ounce. Stick that off to the side, and that's it. You just want to ice it down. Today I'm going to be using the best refrigerator ice that money can buy. Mixing tin right on top, seal it, give it a good hard shake. Okay, so as you can see, this cocktail is really frothy, and that's due to the pineapple juice. When you shake pineapple juice really hard, just like cream, it's going to create a froth. So you want to shake it really hard to get that thick froth on top. That makes it very easy for you to do a decoration on the top, or for the garnish to sit perfectly on top of the cocktail. Garnish for this, I like to choose a raspberry and 1 blackberry. Just to sit right there along the edge. And that's your French Martini. How does that look? Cocktail number 2. All right, so cocktail number 2 is a vodka cocktail also. It's the Cosmopolitan. Start with a fresh mixing glass like this one. You have your mixing tin and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup to start. 1/4 ounce Cointreau or triple sec. One ounce of cranberry juice. One and a half ounces of vodka. Yeehaw. So if this is your first time here, this is a channel where we teach you how to make cocktails with style. I don't know if you knew that. 1.5 ounces of vodka. Ice. Don't forget your lime. You're going to want to use the juice of a whole small lime or about 1/2 of a large lime. Classic Cosmopolitan goes in a classic Martini V-shaped stemmed glass. Wonderful. Now, classically, this cocktail is garnished with a flamed orange peel. But others like to choose to garnish it with a lime wheel. Like this. So you choose. This is just the way that we like to make it here at MIXOLOGY Flaired. I actually prefer the flamed orange zest over the lime wheel myself. It brings a layer of aromatics over the top of the cocktail that I really enjoy personally, but it's your cocktail, it's your choice. Please put down in the comments which way that you prefer it. Okay everyone, classic Cosmopolitan. Cheers, I hope you really enjoy this. Now, on to cocktail number 3. Okay, and for the third drink, it's actually a stirred cocktail. It's one of the more sophisticated cocktails on the menu tonight. Whoa! It starts with a 1/4 ounce of Fino Sherry. All right. Now this is where the heavy part of the cocktail comes in. It's 2.5 ounces of vodka. If you don't have crystal clear ice at home and you don't know how to make it, in your local area, you can probably find a professional ice maker to deliver some ice for you. Here we use penny pound ice. These crystal clear ice cubes, they're amazing. They were just delivered to me yesterday, and we're gonna use this because I don't have amazing, obviously, you can see my beautiful refrigerator top quality ice is not as good as this professional grade ice from Penny Pound Ice. I'm just gonna use the back of my bar spoon. All right. Beautiful. Now this is one of, out of all 5 cocktails that we're talking about today, this is the most classic of the classic cocktails. The Flame of Love, the garnish of this cocktail gets a flamed orange peel. Just drop it right in there. That's cocktail number 3, the Flame of Love. I really hope that you enjoyed this cocktail. If you make this cocktail at home, please put in the comments down below what you think about it. Let's get to cocktail number 4. Okay, for the next cocktail is one of my favorite all-time brunch cocktails. It's called the Flirtini. We're gonna start with a fresh mixing glass, peach schnapps, now the peach schnapps is 3/4 ounce, 1 ounce of cranberry, vanilla vodka, 1 1/4 ounce, we're gonna need a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1 full lime like this will equal 1 ounce, roughly 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. So you only need about half of a big one and a full small one. Whoa. Ice. Make sure that your shaker set is completely sealed. You don't want it blowing up in your face. That was almost a disaster. Now you just want to top it with 1 ounce of champagne. That seems about right. That seems better. And there's your Flirtini. Cocktail number 4. One of my favorite brunch cocktails. Enjoy. I'm gonna have a sip right now. Yep. Cocktail number 5. All right, so the last drink for the vodka cocktails for Valentine's Day is really a home run. I really think you could probably get out of the doghouse with this cocktail. It's so good. It's a classic Moscow Mule with strawberries. Home run all day long. You don't need this. You don't need this. All you need is one of these. You can use a copper mug if you really want to, but it's not a super classic, so you don't need to go copper mug with your Moscow Mule. But I do like this one. I think it's pretty cool. You're going to start with cutting a lime in half, because you're going to need about ½ ounce. Put that off to the side. Get yourself 3 strawberries. Cut the ends off. That's it, 3 strawberries. Get this out of here. Get a muddler like this one. Make sure to muddle these down really hard. Turn it kind of into a paste. All right. Take your half a lime. Squeeze it right in there. One and a half ounces of your favorite vodka. Maybe a little bit more if you want a little bit more. And because I don't have a pebble ice maker at home or a crushed ice maker here at home, I called my friends over here at Penny Pound Ice. They sent me over a really nice bag of pebble ice for me to use for this cocktail. Ginger beer. Pour some of this. 4. Mix some of those strawberry bits up in there. Oh, yeah. Maybe a little bit more ice on top. Damn. I'm having this at home, so I can use my hands, it's fine. If you want to put on a garnish, I would suggest a lime wheel, a strawberry, and just for fun, grab some mint, spank it, drop it right in there, and that's it, guys. 5 cocktails made with vodka for Valentine's Day. Cheers! Subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Come back. I've been doing this for a couple years. I got a video right here, a video right here, and a video down here. Click any one of those. And we'll see you on the next cocktail. This is good. You want to try it?